Wanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia maruna mariogo yo gutindia musariri wona yaikire kewango guikaru aligo panya oro yonde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yo gutindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga betami twabarwali erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochasa ubugima bwe
asamange twakirisimya namba 0706840844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichiburyo gukora chingata icyobutindo. Ege Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Emambiengia omurigerere bwensoko no kwigena kwa nebuna kwa bukiro bya andonsi asore na nigo emambia wegenderete byangu kwarigania asomoroberi bwetorobini chinsani nye chabono mambia ekarondo chenga chidagika gose chitariki ni 12 omutenyi noyo kabere omwaka bwechirubere 25 noyo moyani atigarete amatukaberoka bari banchaine bono tochake Valentine lakini ndo chenga chi street cha Nairobi ama ugani gagendete koni gwa changa chimbariri nigo chirasti street asobonge kwene kinga bari banchaine nkonyora bari kiri bakwegokeria na nchekera ngo kumanyikuruga iga ime Soko TV moroberi bwetorobini nigo tugwanjite kyandage 10 kogera nayo ogendete gutosira asemeroberi yetu ngo kwarigani tochake kurubono goikomo eri chinsa isano ne eretariane Linet Nyambane. Etorobini ni gotoko ya chakira kurwa ase county ya Nyamira ase serikali ye county eyo ekorawa no mugabana bwe county Amos Nyarebo yabwatokire ebirasi ebiya bya ECD gochya asaboro kigwa ECD beskuru ya Kiabira imeye county eyo gukwana nabariki bamangana maya abaibori naboigo aborokia beskuru eyo nigo bono bagokeire getambukirekyo ase batebiribuna abana babo gusomoroberio yo nigo uguche kwenekia abana abo abake nkonyora bare asaga yabagosomera naboigo nigo bakonyora baguchikonyora erongoli chinga kibare asa masomo asensemeyo
Pora Kemtorina igonde umuchivo visa ase department ya education vocational training and ICT ni Nyamira County etuachire na waziri na mheshimiwa bweri yeiga ase okoigore class kiaberege kwagachwa gwetera ase oburai bwe county igo ase county yaito ntobwato muroberi bwo kwagache bilas bya ECD ekero governor aruete chinguru echo gwetera ase department education igo iga kiabira etuachire koigore class ebilas ebire bibere PP1 na PP2 igo churu mwechi na bachire ibere nebiro wombiro nechimesa nabe wonto bwate etangi ya 5000 liters nechi cho echo ebwate melangu etatu abana bamura babwate oyobo abaisike babwate oyobo nabo igo abari mubabo ne class yeke ya mwisikolgererya nkibwate mesa ne kerogo aso mwarimu awe karansa nechi drone chirororo ase abana bakobeka ebitabu byabo sibakugacha ebinto byabo nonyene nendagere yabekero bakonywa egekugera ntobwate uchiavya abana abakunywa eyunero ya rosetwe wose yariganetwe na omweshimi na governor Nyaribo igonga every school ase county ECD classes igo bakunywera ngoli obusie bakoleterwa nabo igontoete na abalimu babere in every school igo rero iga nabo tuachire abaiboli na kimoigwete tinde igwebiri byako onda sukuru ya Kiabira abalimu na abaiboli mbiyamore na kansoro ito ikira rero more na mogoko kaki
sura kaki tebi kaba no minto tikaga recommend omo fomo yo erongori atomenta denjengo etomongina naziba.
I'm Samson Intengo Male, the head teacher of Kiabira LCK Primary School and the Junior School. Mbiyamono asili tukulia rero mwachire kuru ofisi ya Nyamira County Government. Mbiyamono kuru ase ofisi ya omo MCA gwito Ogaiga mwachire tukulia rero asogo chakorora ariama ya mwakorire ocha story aiga buna bana Kiabira twete class kya ICT ekitutabwata amatukabira amange guchimaega ntuabwate otatikia arengororo nkiabwata bakongu bwaye ekagera mukarente kikia maega mwacha koronchi rero class kinkibwate bibere PP1 PP2 kebwate chweyemo ya abana pamoja n'abari bono kurwa gwetera maega ekero na chite maega gaiga rona nyoreta abana baitu ba ICT obarenge ebirasi bitatu barengo sange kirasi ekemo rona chang nkanyorera bakomumbaro nkabage kirasi ekemo gekaba bitatu egera abana ba isaranse bo once lakini nyuma y'omutienyi government ya Nyamira ekaigwe biriro bya Bible na abana n'abarimu egatwekera class ekina kimwakire koronchire rero
Onkoro bukara ni nyaboke magwasi yani nagokire ese ngenje twasiera liwe skuru epi tochaire yani nagokire mwatoigoreire mwataraseiye skuru.
Tukurase county yu ya Nyamira nigo tokogenda goika ase county ya Machakos ase serikali yense wetera ekiombe kya ODPP nigo kigenderete kuringoria jagent 15 echichikoira abantu ase chinse cheisiko kubarigeria meremo korengana ne kiombe kyo gose korengana no mobisa obwe serikali Geoffrey Lesanyo oyo orekora omoyego yu gosori oyo orekora uyore kora musako ya senseme ya Machakos nigo batebire buna nigo batebire chi agent echo nigo chiko ngaina abakenya gose chikoriana ni abakenya kubarigeria chinse ase chi kubarigeria gase ase chinse cheisiko ase batebire buna nigo bakonyara ko baba kwira abantu siko abo banyara ko baba kubora batamanyiria ase bare gwika bano nigo bagendete no musako ya ase batebire buna bari baguchia konyorekana na mamocho gose baguchia konyorekana bakogendia obonchoreri obubwe agent maminjaneri chiko nigo baguchia kuimukiriwa egetambokero egetinde keri chiko.
And so far, as of January of 2026, there have been around 680 irregular, that is rogue or unscrupulous private recruitment agents that have been blacklisted or deregistered from the National Employment Authority. And those ones have been engaging in scamming Kenyans, issues of human trafficking, and those are the cases that now bring about the issues of exploitation, abuse, and torture of Kenyans. You know, when you are an undocumented worker outside the country, then it becomes a challenge even for maybe the consulate to follow up on you. So the government has been cracking down the whip, and so far up to 600. Initially there were around 1,200 agencies that have been registered, but right now 600 plus, around 680 have been registered. So with the National Employment Authority, we only have now active 600 private recruitment that are offering formal and regular labor migration. So also there is an establishment of a one-stop center at the NSSF building, that's the Ministry of Labor headquarters, a one-stop center where victims of fraud, victims of scamming, and victims of irregular migration, whereby Kenyans have been conned in the name of securing for them foreign employment, can present themselves with evidence and reports about who conned them and who swindled their money. So there, I think, as up to date, because it was established late last year, around July, the government has so far, there are about 15 active cases that have been forwarded to the DPP, but I think those are issues that can be addressed from our head office. Because then I think those are active cases. But Kenyans need to know that there are channels to save and to save them from any harm in terms of foreign employees.
Tokurase kaunti ya Machakos nigo tokogenda gwika ase kaunti ya Mandera asomora ibwense ya Kenya omoske William Ruto agendete kora omoyega gosomoroberio nyota oyurenge tukubwatu kachibese gukia ase abasai ritkorigoro Ruto nigarenge ase chinseme chicha North Eastern abasasarenge kaunti ya Wajir abasa arenge kora omoyega ngabunoyu asane kretia abamenyi bense miyo magendero nabono nigo tokogenda masemo gwika ensemo ya Mandera toigungana araria yega umuraibwensa abwate gukia asa basai nabamenyi be kaunti eyo.
So that they can contribute in terms of jobs and in terms of business in the development of our nation. Kwa hivyo vijana, nyinyi muko hapa saa hizi mujihesabu ya kwamba you are in the right place. Wale ambao wanasema hii mambo yote ni kupoteza wakati, wao ni mafala, hawajui what is going on in the Republic of Kenya. Vijana hoye! Vijana hoye! Mnasema tuendelee ama tuendelee? Leo hapa vijana wa Mandera katika hii program ya business support tuko na pesa yenu shilingi milioni 135 pesa zenu. Leo hapa mtaondoka na milioni 62. Nitawafuatilia na milioni 62 ingine. Na tutafuatana na nyinyi kuwasaidia, kuwapatia mentorship, kuwasomesha, kuwatrain, ndio kila mmoja wenu ile biashara unaenda kuanzisha iwe ni biashara ambayo itafaulu. Kwa sababu biashara yako ikifaulu, biashara ya Kenya inafaulu na utatusaidia kuajiri vijana wengine. Vijana tunaelewana jameni? Mnasema tuendelee na hii program? So I want to tell anybody who cares to listen that the young people of the Republic of Kenya are such an important resource. In fact, 60 to 70% of the Republic of Kenya is young people. That is why we must dedicate time. We must have a plan. We must have intentions and clarity on how we are going to get our young people engaged. We are going to get them trained. We are going to get them educated, and so that they can contribute their talent, their knowledge, their expertise in making sure we grow our country and we move together without leaving any Kenyan or any section or any region, any community behind. We want to move together. Mnasema tuendelee ama tuendelee bana? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Na hawa wangwana wanga wanashikwa na hamaki na kisirani wakisikia nimekuja Northern Kenya. Sijui wako na shida gani na watu wa Northern Kenya. Nikienda Kisumu hawasemi. Nikienda Eldoret hawasemi. Nikienda Central hawasemi. Nikienda Coast hawasemi. Nikikuja Northern Kenya wanaingia kwa press conference kusema sijui nini, sijui nini. Nyinyi ama namagani my friends? Mnasema tuendelee? And I want to tell all the people of Kenya, Kenya can only move forward if we get everybody, every region, every community, people of all religions, people from all societies, to move together as one. That is how this country is going to move into the future. And I am determined to make sure that it happens. Nyinyi ambao mumezoea chuki, mumezoea ukabila, mumezoea ubaguzi, mimi nataka niwaeleze muda wenu umekwisha. Kenya inatembea sasa pamoja, hakuna ubaguzi tena, hakuna ukabila tena, mambo ya chuki hatuna nayo, tunataka tutembee kama Wakenya. Mandera hoye! Mandera hoye! Na hatusemi tu hivyo kwa maneno bwana. Mimi niliwaeleza ya kwamba ile ubaguzi ilikuweko miaka hiyo yote. Sasa ni wakati wa kuondoa hiyo ubaguzi. Wakati nilitangaza ya kwamba tunatengeneza hii barabara kutoka kule Isiolo ifike hapa Mandera, walikuwa wanafikiri ni mchezo. Walisema haiwezekani. Walisema ni uongo. But we are going to demonstrate to them that the liars are them, not us. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Section zile ilikuwa na matatizo katika hii barabara yenu. pia tumeyatatua. Mnajua section ya kutoka Ramu hapa kuja Mandera ilikuwa na matatizo ya annuity. Sasa tumetoa annuity, tumetafuta waegezaji na sasa hiyo tumepata pesa ya kukamilisha hii section. Section nyingine ya kutoka Samatar kwenda Modogashe pia ilikuwa na annuity, tumeondoa mambo ya annuity, tumelete pesa ya World Bank. So the whole of this stretch is going to be built, and by God's grace in the next 1 to 2 years people from this Mandera can travel to Nairobi on tarmac, shortest time possible. We are building 750 kilometers of tarmac, the longest road in independent Kenya that has ever been built. We are building it from Mandera to Isiolo. Unasema tuendelee ama tuendelee, my friends? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Mulikuwa na barabara ingine ya kutoka hapa kwenda Fino, karibu kilomita 70. Hiyo barabara ilikuwa imekwama, nataka niwatangazie. Hiyo barabara nimekwamua, contractor anarudi next week. Tunataka kujenga hiyo barabara, na hatujengi pale nyuma. Tulikuwa tumesema tunajenga hiyo barabara ile inaitwa surface dressing. Mimi nimesema mambo ya surface dressing isifanyike hapa. Hiyo barabara tu upgrade iwe class A na tujenge vizuri vile tunajenga hii ingine ya kwenda Nairobi. Watu wa Mandera mnanielewa? Mumekubali pia hawa vijana hapa tunawapatia pesa ya biashara, si ni kweli? Na biashara haiwezi kufanyika kama mipaka yetu imefungwa. Kwa hivyo mimi narudi hapa mwezi wa 4 kuja kufungua ile border post ya kuunganisha sisi na Somalia, na tutakuwa na askari wa kutosha kuhakikisha kwamba magaidi na wakora wengine hawatahusika. Wafanyabiashara wa Kenya, wa Somalia tutaendelea na biashara, wakora tutashughulika na wao. Tunaelewana? Mnasema tufungue hii border ama mnasema tufanye namna gani? Mimi nataka niwaulize wananchi wa hapa Mandera, nyinyi na waomba na viongozi wa Mandera, sisi wote tuwe ni watu ambao tutapigana na Al-Shabaab. Hawa Al-Shabaab ni watu bure. Mimi nataka niwaeleze, mimi na nyinyi tutaungana, serikali ya Kenya tutashirikiana, nyinyi mtusaidie tuweze kukabiliana na wahuni na magaidi, ndio Mandera hii iendelee na maendeleo, iendelee na biashara, ndio Mandera ikue na isaidie kuchangia katika uchumi wa taifa letu la Kenya. Nyinyi mmesikia vile PS wangu amesema. PS amesema Mandera County ndio ilikuwa county number 1 kwa kupanga mambo hii ya nyota. Mimi sikujua nyinyi watu wa Mandera ni wafanyabiashara. Yaani inasemekana ya kwamba wakati ilisemekana ni biashara ati iko pesa. Watu wa Mandera waliamka mapema na asubuhi, si ndio? Kumaanisha nyinyi mnaelewa mambo ya senti, si ndio? Sasa nyinyi number 1 country in Kenya, nafikiri number 2 ni Nyeri, lakini number 1 ni nyinyi. So nyinyi mmefanya kazi mzuri. Mimi nataka niwahakikishia kwamba tutashirikiana na nyinyi, and that is why we must make it easier for you to do business with the rest of Kenya and with our neighbors. Najua ya kwamba hapa tuko na matatizo kidogo ya stima, si ndio? Ni matatizo kidogo ama matatizo kubwa? Nasema ni matatizo makubwa. Sasa sikizeni bwana. Mimi niko na short term solution na niko na long term solution. Short term solution, next week tunawaletea generator ya 3 megawatts kusaidia nyinyi kufanya ile short term solution. Lakini ya muhimu zaidi, tunaunganisha stima kutoka Ethiopia 70 kilometers na Mandera hii, ndio tuweke Mandera kwa national grid, ndio tuhakikisha kwamba mambo ya diesel na yale mengine tunayasahau, nyinyi pia muwe katika national grid. Na vile vile nimesema wakati tunawaweka katika national grid, pia tutafanya solar hybridization, ndio vile vile tuweze kutega hii solar mingi hapa, jua isiwe inatuumiza, tutumie hiyo jua kuendesha mambo ya umeme na stima na kulight up our towns and our cities and in Mandera County. Tumekubaliana? Vile vile tumekuwa tukipata matatizo for a very long time. Hapa tunaongea leo mambo ya drought. Na mimi nataka nimshukuru Deputy President wangu. Amepanga, mimi nilimpatia hiyo jukumu. Na governor amenikonfirmia yet for the first time we have the most comprehensive delivery of relief food in Mandera County. Wengine tuliwapatia nafasi kule mbele, wakakuja wakafanya biashara na chakula ya wananchi. Wakakuja kufanya siasa na chakula ya wananchi. Saa hizi wanajaribu kutuzungumzia. Sasa wewe my friend, wewe ulifutwa kazi kwa kuiba relief food. Alafu unakuja kutuongelesha mambo ya relief food. Wewe, you are the last person, the least qualified, with no moral authority to tell anybody anything on matters food relief because you are a petty thief. Sio kama naelewana bwana? Tuko pamoja watu wa Mandera? So, mimi nataka niwaeleze watu wa Mandera, we are moving together with you, msikuwe na wasiwasi. Short term program ni hii ya kudistribute chakula na hay. Lakini long term, pia mimi niko na solution ya long term. Mumesikia tunaanzisha National Infrastructure Fund. Mumesikia nikitangaza kule bunge ya kwamba tunajenga dams 50, mega dams, 200 other medium-sized dams, and 1,000 micro dams in the Republic of Kenya. Sehemu kubwa ya hizo dams ya mega na medium na micro itafanyika hapa Northern Kenya. Ndio tuweze kutatua kikamilifu, tuweze kuwa na bwawa kubwa in every sub-county and another dam in every ward to make sure that we can develop hay here in Northern Kenya, to make sure that we can develop animal feed here in Northern Kenya, and to make sure that tutumie hii sola tuko naye na ardhi kubwa tuko naye na ile maji tutaweka katika dams, nyinyi mchangie katika kuzalisha chakula ya kulisha taifa letu la Kenya na kuexport iweze kwenda nje ya Kenya. The potential of Northern Kenya to be a major contributor of food security in Kenya is real, and that is why we have the program on water harvesting, on water storage, on building dams, on irrigation, targeting 2.5 million acres to make sure that we get rid of matters food insecurity in Northern Kenya permanently. Nyie mnanielewa my friends? Mnasema tuendelee na hiyo kazi ama mnasema tufanye namna gani? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? That is why I want to tell the leaders in Northern Kenya, we want to partner with you as we develop our next phase of large dams, medium dams, micro dams. We want to have the priority list coming from Northern Kenya so that we can do two things. We can secure the food security of Northern Kenya, and Northern Kenya can also contribute to the food security of our nation. Watu wa Mandera hoye. Mnasema tuendelee? Mnasema tuendelee? Hapa tuko katika hii stadium. Nimekubali nitakuja hapa mwezi wa 4. Si ndio? Na nyinyi mwanze kunizoea. Mimi nitakuwa na area hapa kila wakati. Zamani rais alikuwa anakuja hapa once in 5 years. Si ndio? Mimi nitakuwa hapa mpaka mshangae, sijui kama bado niko na makazi mahali pengine. So mimi nakuja tena hapa April. Na nikuja hapa April, nataka kuja kufungua hiyo border post. Nataka nikuje hapa April, niende Banisa, nishukuru watu wa Banisa. Watu wa Banisa walituheshimisha sana. Walitupatia kiongozi mbunge wa Banisa katika bunge letu la Kenya kwa chama tawala. Mimi nataka niwaambie watu wa Banisa asanteni sana. Mimi mwenyewe nakuja huko na nitakuja kuanzia pale. Tunaelewana? Na mimi nakuja hapa kutengenezea nyinyi hii stadium. Hii stadium ni mzuri lakini iko chini kidogo. Bwana. Sasa nimekuja na PS wangu Bwana Mariro yuko hapa. Na nimempatia maagizo. Hii stadium, tujenge stadium mpya ya milioni 900 hapa Mandera. Stadium ambayo itakuwa na kivuli kila mahali, vile tunajenga, si mnaona vile tunajenga stadium huko Kenya ingine ile? Si mnaona ile Talanta? Si mnaona zingine tumejenga? Ya Mandera, kwani mnafikiri Mandera haina nafasi yake? Sasa nafasi ya Mandera, nikikuja hapa nataka kuja kufanya ground breaking. Na mimi nataka hiyo stadium, Bwana Mariro, hiyo stadium Disemba mwaka huu, hawa watu wa Mandera wafanye celebration ya Madaraka Jamhuri tarehe 12 mwezi wa 12 hapa Mandera katika stadium yao mpya. Mandera hoye! Mnasema tuendelee? Vile vile wakati huyu Mariro atakuja kujenga stadium hapa na watu wangu wa military, pia nataka wakuje watusaidie kujenga airport mpya ya hapa Mandera. Tunakamilisha airport ya kule Garissa, nilikuwa huko jana. Tunaanza kukamilisha tena terminal building ya hapo Wajia. Hapa Mandera ndio tutakuja kujenga airport mpya na tujenge pia terminal building, apron na zile zingine, ndio watu wa Mandera wasikuwe wanakuja kwa ile airstrip iko na vumbi pale. Mnasema tuendelee? Si hiyo ndio kupanua Kenya? Si hiyo ndio kuondoa ubaguzi? Tuendelee pamoja. Mimi nimefurahi kwamba niliambia hawa viongozi, these leaders, I told them almost 6 years ago, niliwaambia hawa viongozi wa Northern Kenya, nyinyi wacheni maneno. Walimu wengi wa kufundisha watoto wa Northern Kenya wanatoka Kisumu, wanatoka Eldoret, wanatoka Siaya, wanatoka sijui wapi, wanatoka Central, wanatoka Coast. Mbona tusiwe na walimu wamefundishwa kutoka hapa Northern Kenya? Hawa viongozi walinisikiza, wakaanzisha college ya kusomesha watoto wa Northern Kenya. Mimi nafurahi leo ya kwamba tuko na walimu wengi ambao wamehitimu kufundisha kama walimu, ndio tuweze kuondoa ile changamoto ya zamani ya kukosekana na walimu hapa, kwa sababu ikitokea shida kidogo, wale wa kutoka Kakamega wanaenda Kakamega, wale wa kutoka Kisumu wanarudi Kisumu, wale wa kutoka Taita wanarudi Taita. Sasa tutakuwa na walimu ambao ni watoto wa Northern Kenya. Hata kama iko shida gani, watakuwa hapa kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wenu wanafundishwa. And because you guys have demonstrated that we can partner together, nimesema as a matter of affirmative action, ili wale walimu wote waliondoka hapa wakuwe replaced, nimesema tunaajiri hapa Mandera another 600 teachers to make sure that they take charge of the education of our young people in our primary and secondary schools. Mandera, tunaelewana jameni? Mnasema tuendelee? Kwa sababu ya masaa, mimi nimefurahi sana kufika hapa Mandera. Mimi nataka niwaeleze ya kwamba ile kazi zote tumekubaliana na nyinyi, tutashirikiana na hawa viongozi. Tumekubaliana pia tutaketi na hawa viongozi kupanga mambo yale mengine. Niko na pesa yenu shilingi bilioni 18 ya housing, ya markets, ya hostels. Only 2 billion shillings has been used. Mimi nataka miradi ingine ya bilioni 16 tuwajenge hapa Mandera peke yake. We want to develop this county. Hapa town ya Mandera tunataka at least nyumba 3,000. Hii Mandera town peke yake. Between 3 and 5,000. We want to build houses in this Mandera. Si ndio? Ama mnataka namna gani? Kwani mnafikiri hawa vijana watapata kazi wapi nisipojenga manyumba hapa? Nyinyi mtaendelea kuishi kwa salamu mpaka lini? Nataka kujenga nyumba mzuri hapa, mkae kama Wakenya wengine. Mko tayari? Mandera mko tayari? Vijana wa Mandera mko tayari? Mnasema tuendelee, tuunganishe Kenya, tufanye maendeleo sawa kila mahali, tuunganishe stima, tufanye ile kazi ingine yote. Wangapi wanasema tuendelee na kazi jameni? Bes. Wale majamaa wengine msisumbue, msipoteze wakati wao, msipoteze wakati wenu na wao. Wale watu wako chini Ndio mnaona na issue statements wakiwa kule Nairobi. Kwa pochi la biashara. Sasa sikia bwana. Tumesema hiyo pesa tunawapatia. Sio pesa ya kulipa Hustler Fund, sio pesa ya kulipa Fuliza, sio pesa ya kupatiana date, ni pesa ya biashara. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Si ndio? So kila mmoja wenu, na hapo katika pochi la biashara tumeweka hapo business tools. Kama wewe ni mfanyabiashara itakusaidia kufanya mahesabu. Kama unanunua na kuuza itakusaidia kufanya biashara, kufanya hesabu hapo kwa pochi la biashara. Ukishalipa, ukishafanya biashara unaweza kulipa Fuliza. Ukishafanya biashara unaweza kulipa Hustler Fund. Ndio tuweze kusonga mbele pamoja.
Uyo no murai wense agukwana kurwa ase ensemo ya Mandera ase getige chigosori gose kemanyakanti na Mandera Stadium abo asakora omoroberio nyota uyo rengete kubwatoka chibese guche asaba saibe county yo asenkwana yo murai wense omurigerere bwense okonya kwari kunyebwate nigo anyarire ko bagakwenekeria abamenyi bense meyo amagenderera mange egati yabo nigatebire buna nigo aguchikwirana omutinyuka na chikuigora omupaka abo ense meyo nense ya Ethiopia eriyo abamenyi bense meyo bachigutingya obonchoreri bwabo nonya nabo nigo boiga benekeringa nigo aguchia kuba gose niga aguchikuba ngusera estima eri banyare ko bakomenya obugima obuya nabo igwene kiringa abamenyi bense meyo nguchikonyora bari chipara chingia eri banyare ko bakwego kieria obosombi gose nonye no bonchoreri bwabo ayo amona yanda mange nigura chikonyanyora asa mangana ito amayare bosyo tokurase county ya Mandera nigo tokwenda gwikase county ya Machakos ase serikali ya county ya Machakos yairwe egeka kya matuko 52 na MCA bari bakwameririe serikali yo ase barawa no murai bwabake ase bunge ye serikali ye county ya Machakos uyu nyare ko bakomochia umugabana bwe county wa Vinyandeti asokomunereria umwana blog goso muriki ase emitandao ukuru kwa Sami Kioko uyibatebire buna nigo anyarite ko bagagokorera serikali yu etenda ase abone serikali yo ebwate chi million chibese tanya kumubwatokera omosu umongwano yo nigo batebire buna Sami nigo agosona gose nigaro moshoni uyu nyarite ko bagagosonera county yu chianga chekwaya ye county yu nabo igo abasikari be county yu nigo bakubeka chiange chichisonire na Sami yo monyene korende kyogo kumya gavana wa Vinyandeti tanya gwa kumwakana asebana bamoira matuka 52 kwenekinga kumwakanare omongwano yo.
People are getting poorer because the county is giving works to people and they end up not paying. And a very classic example is of one young man, Sami Kioko, who supplied uniforms, which we have seen on several occasions our governor donning on them for inspectorate. And whenever Kioko comes out to demand for payment, the governor has a tendency of releasing bloggers and people trying to tarnish the young man. We have seen you trying to highlight the benefits and your ambitions to support young people. If you are running MYS to empower young people and after they are qualified, once you give them work, you end up tormenting them, branding them names. We want to demand that Governor of Machakos addresses the issue of Sami Kioko and the lady so that we can see a stop to what is happening.
Gavana wa Vinya, tafadhali umefinya huyu kijana ukijua ukweli ya kwamba uniform ambazo ama pesa ambazo anadai milioni 19 ni haki yake kulipwa, na unapozidi na kumdhalilisha na kukataa kumlipa pesa yake inaenda kinyume na yale mambo anasema ambayo unafanya ya human empowerment, sababu Kioko ni mwanarika. Na sasa imefika mahali ambapo sasa sisi kama viongozi itabidi tuliongelelea hili swala, tulifuate, tuhakikisha kwamba umemlipa. Leo uko na hafla ya kupitisha vijana pale katika White House, wale wamehitimu katika ile MYS. Nguo na uniform ambazo wamevaa, including ni yako mwenyewe ile umevaa, ni ile ilitengenezwa na Kioko. Hauna haibu mama ambaye unafinya kijana ambaye ni rika moja na kijana yako. Tafadhali gavana wa Vinya, wachana na upuzi. enda ulipe huyu kijana pesa yake ile alifanyia. Na hawa watu wako unawalipa ukisema ati yako liseo sio yeye mwenye alileta, ati sijui ililetwa na nani. Huyo mwenye alileta basi ambaye ulimpatia makaratasi yote, enda umlipe kwa sababu ni yeye ambaye alileta uniform.
Hakikisha wale ambao wana supply na contractors wamelipwa. Na tuna demand. Now don't take it for tutamobilize kila mtu wote. Watu walipwe na watu wakuwe, watu waache kuteswa. Wafanyikazi wa Machakos hawezi wakaongea, wakiongea unawafuta. Angalia leo venye unaweka asara. Kilonzo we are supposed kumulipa 4.7, juzi umefuta unceremonious, unaamuka unafuta masio. Hawa watu watakuja kulipwa pesa mingi sana na ni hasara na ni pesa yetu, because wewe unafanya vitu kiolela tu. Get the right advice. Na mimi na request governor, futa ma advisors wako wote, wafute wote sababu hakuna mmoja.
Tukurwa ase county ya Machakos ni gutukwira na gwika ase county ya Nairobi. Ase omugavana bwe county ya Nairobi Omoske Johnson Sakaja anyare kobaga kubwatuka gusaba tugetoro boti igoro yobokoreri bwe county ya Nairobi abu ase kore igoro gukwana kurwa ase county eyo nigo Sakaja ene kiri meruberi eria begete ase boigo anyare kobaga gukwanera ali agendete gukorekana ime county ya Nairobi nigo Sakaja amochiri bari bakumwamereria satebire buna nero mugavana bwe county ya Nairobi na bari bare no kugania buna serikali ya county ya Nairobi echikwirana ase national government aga aniga benekeri buna gekore kitige kunyarekana Nairobi nero tebire buna nere umurai bwe county ya Nairobi menye nabo nigo boigo aenekeri abamenyi bense meyo asaba enekeri buna amasomo nigaguchia kogose nigo agendete gutinya sector ya masomo asatebire buna kere ward nige guchikonyora chichekichi kirachikokonya gose kubasira aborokiwa eri kugenderera na masomo abasoma koyiga.
In disbursement we can ensure 100% transition to secondary school. This January I issued scholarships worth 170 million shillings to 3,828 beneficiaries. And we have processed, members, we have processed ward bursaries for 56,525 learners, totaling 295.5 million shillings, the highest allocation since devolution began. It is not a story. Here are the checks. And today, this is just a sample. Every ward will receive their checks. This is symbolic for Kayole Central Ward. And all the rest are with us today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. We will receive it. I want to thank sincerely Honorable Perpetua Mponjiwa, the Chair of Education, for her diligence, her patience, and I want to thank you for understanding. Trust is rebuilt through experience. Children learn because they're fed, traders work in dignity, hospitals heal, water flows fairly, opportunity widens. No city progresses while waiting to be persuaded. Citizenship is not a spectator sport. Comply, participate, be vigilant, for perpetual vigilance is the price of progress. Members, I honor the mandate given to me by the people of Nairobi. They entrusted me with the constitutional powers to transform this city. I will not betray that trust. In the year 2020, Nairobi got into a misadventure that ended up being costly. The NMS experiment left us with a 16 billion shillings hole in pending bills, low staff morale due to mistreatment, and a defilement of devolution. The functions bestowed upon the county government of Nairobi by the Constitution will remain county functions. We shall not transfer any functions of the county of Nairobi. Nairobi is not just a county, it is a capital city. So of course collaboration with the national government is inevitable. In fact, it is encouraged. But in the words of the former late Prime Minister, the father of devolution, we must protect devolution. It is the biggest gift given to the people of Kenya by our law. We are pursuing procedures using the Urban Areas and Cities Act They talk about the capital city to enhance support in infrastructure, but the city will continue to be governed as a county government.
Tukurwa ase county ya Nairobi nigo tukumurikira county ya Nyamira gusio bobochori bw'ikiombe gyo kwegerera abarimu ba KUPPET orusagia rwa Nyamira borobiri guchikokorekana boritkoria Jumapili abarimu ose abarayi bwensemeyo abarimu bwensemeyo bakorawa no murayi bwensemeyo Evans Matuga nigo bono banyareko babagwa esokia na komochia egati abarimu abanene abo batebire buna nigo bakonyako ngaina abarimu bande guchikochora abarimu barororo ase union bono na bakurwa ase nsemeyemo bagukwana imeyo mucho Nairobi emambia yeritkoria bono nigo bono basabire buna abarimu abo bachikwene kingango chora bari abarimu bari barachikubaretera amagenderero nabo gokwene kibuna abarimu abo ngo babare ase obomo eri gukinia wose gotinya obokoreri ase ensemeyo.
That the person we want to lead us going forward in this great county is one George Ayeko Mogaka. Ayeko power! Power! Ayeko power! Power! Solidarity forever! Solidarity forever! Solidarity forever! For the union makes us strong!
Ayeko power! Power! KUPPET power!
Power! Ngentege tangani etutaete kwenyoria abarimu bonse be county ya Nyamira nobochorio bonene bwe union ya ito ya Nyamira KUPPET ebokare litukuria Sunday Nyamira boys gotogotebia abarimu bonse baje mambi mapema na ende tokobagana ndio morembo monene ondetaba sakoleta buruburu ende yonse tosirio bogima una borito arali Nairobi county asichigari chapa chigoita abana baito. Namba ya kabere Internal Organizing Secretary we county ya Nyamira KUPPET union taete kwenyuria abarimu baito nga mbangete kirogeke nabere myaka 5 na inde mbakere mbia mono asengenjo baroje ngambu yabanchore abo nende mbainyorie ngatinkari orora sekenyanganyire ke kubori keroke ni yonse ekaronda abo mwana endere tabira tatu po no yoretiro obo tutukanu ase union ya Nyamira ndaite kumonyoria omo principal yuga ngachinde tere chaende kusimeka choko tatebinga twakira abantu bakurukisi county sengenjo bara abantu babo ase keroki obo executive secretary intori tayare ko chaubuna abarimu watana nubuna abarimu intubuna abarimu twabeiramo eitambo songo kurwa osemu Nyamira okorwa
Shindo kabisa
ase myaka yonse abantu bakire chukura twabere to wakira abarimu bakorukisi county including Baba Joel Araka, the late Basweti, the current secondary Bwana Kenyatta akorukisi county lakini noare akire chukura na abarimu ba Nyamira na babo songo amo iko chinetere choko simeka Mr. Principal etokote kama abarimu ba Nyamira afanye nini
ashindwe kabisa.
Our organizing secretary okorua Mr. Matuga asega asia tokorerengia na kubua mono amangano cia tutebiri etore mayaga yaye ebya tebiri na bitoji gokora na ne twegenete nga omuntu agotigira sekero ekiaye abo muntu okorega simunere elio mwelio ntotageti ogwatananu ntumuna abarimu gosenga kya abarimu baminto
ntubuna abarimu ba Nyamira county KUPPET twachirege gali tukoria lero asengenjo mu dekero ke executive secretary Mr. Ayeko tutagete twakira omuntu ori very competent omuntu twakira siminga kinde yonse twanyora tari omuntu agotenga akira nyarebe asengenjo bakwati the personal interest.
Na kuruga bwase county ya Nyamira omurigerere bwensoko nigo tuguchikogenda asomotimoko omoke tukwirana nigo tuguchikoswa asensemo yaito ya kabira somogeni tanyare kubaga gwikaga igase studio litkoria rero nigo tuguchikomurekera igoro yobochenu bobongo usase kinyamurero nigo togoteba buna mental health ndochikomanya amange kubwatikana no bochenu bobongo nararia yega kwirera umuntu onyora obokongu obu gose naende nichera kitobonete komenya iri tunyako batogwetanga nturi konyora oborwaire obu ene kinga ayuamo nayanda mange nigo gochikonyanyora imeye Soko TV ase ntunda ya kabere onye kubwate kerengere kenduraga ntusange kubwatekana nobo cheni bobongo ene kinga nabo guturikira ujumbe yawe nyenge gwetera ase namba yetu studio iywere 0788666663 ototebinga ndireririgo uraga ntumurekere gosembo konkyo bwate kubwatekana nobo cheni bobongo koirana ayuamo nayanda mange tuchiare.
Eye ne Soko TV oboroso bw'umugusi. Je, unakusudia kwenda sherehe itakaosalia katika mioyo ya watu kama kumbukumbu daima? J&Java tupo kwa ajili yako. Tunabadili kila tukio la furaha, fahari na ubora usiopimika. Tunatoa huduma mbalimbali kama vile viti vya kila aina, mimbari au meza za kuvutia, hema za kisasa, mapambo ya kuvutia, taa za kila aina, upishi wa vyakula vitamu, vioo vya kisasa, zulia za kila aina, mfumo wa matangazo kwa umma yani PS system, miongoni mwa huduma nyingi kwa bei rafiki. Kwa mengi zaidi, tutembelee katika ofisi zetu zilizopo katika jiji kuu la Nairobi kwenye eneo la maonyesho yani showground, na ukiwa mjini Kisii ni katika eneo la Mwembe kwenye jengo la J&Java lililo karibu na jumba la Isena White House, au unaweza kuwasiliana nasi kupitia nambari 0790820710 au tuandikie barua pepe kupitia anwani sales@jnjava.co.ke. J&Java, kila tukio lina hadithi, tuandike pamoja. Mrena nabali bechinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kuruchitana nyechense. Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke na kigekos kiamesa yamangana mayia. Kwarusiri gutara urugendo rutambe kwenyore bintu bicinguru bigutumye stima electronic appliances. Sungusya Electronics nintwe lichiburi yao. Nkoni tore electronic appliances chonsi buna ebirobu, power extensions, electronic water heaters, chibasi, chibeteri, solar panels, electronic gas cookers, egati ijebinde. Ntubwata phone accessories na boigo ntulene chibundi chikorosi bintu tokonya. Ninchuwenyo regi spare part chie chinguru. Sungusya Electronics boigo nkoros tule chispika chie kerengo kiguru. Icho chigutumeka asichikanisa nemega au. Tuline sababyo wakole talentambe gucha kuligie byombo bunebi. Tutarira somo chokebirigo na boiga somo chunyamira gose twakirisi miase namba 0784884484. Sungusya Electronics obokoleri bwekerengo keguru angenaye.
Omukubyo neritwo abagenwa abange kurwa chikansa ao bakumirana na komotogia omonene wetira amatera amansu ibibungo na boigo amarandia. Imegata seni Gen Soko TV tuchikumirana naye kera ritwo rya Jumapili jakira chinsa 12 cha mambia weka chinsa inye zinyare komotogia omunguru na boigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegeta seni yen Soko TV.
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Rumuchomano Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira, Nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya. Abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'obuikirano. Emanyi amange naboigo bwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi. Ensoko TV, oboroso bw'omugusi. Ebago tebango yogoseka omwelio nero goseka buya. Maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete senikia usigete Ensoko TV. Bonigo yaikirenga kingo koleta nganya sai. Nigonda koletro murobili kurkunga amegelio yebebelia. Murobili nigonda olete amuna basomba banya sai. Abu astra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale. Nantalia yoka nonyora matera noena masabo noboroli ntunyale koba tokorwa. Ayankira lituko liye sabato liya bande bagotabanga Jumamos abande batabanga Saturday chinsa ikomirebere chamambya ugweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora ncho murisyo ngaga nabasomba banyesaye ntokoletere umurubiri bwe lesson seseni.
Ase miziki yabagaka eli abantu bakonga kongire chinengo chacha kiriko choga choga ya rumba. Momelia kenena poto akeleko yekola mama naboigo nto kwiba basai ababakulwa jijenzi emisiki ekogenda bwange bwate chia talaku. Le général Dangote anachukua anaweka oya mose kunambi o Ricardo Momo oya mama Dangote netaliane Edwin Nyangao Edwin mwana mboka nzube ya bololo tumerane kila litukulie Jumamosi kati ya saa 10 weka ensa am.
Chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goseluboko nene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero. Ekira kikiagire Ensoko TV twachire gutorigesa ko kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwariro.
Oboroso bw'omugusi bwoigekerwe omugusi bono ne chinchira chiago goikaransanse na kobeke TV yao kwene kingangwe esomye oregekoro kyomugusi.
Wetero murobiryo bw'igekoro gyeito. Hasi tokomera nabaga kaba Samuelere naboigabange nabanyika. Eligo kwanero kwebogia chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao yomugusi.
Kera lituko ria Ramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yao na mbe Ensoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira.
Eye Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Yekoro yeito imeye Ensoko Ensoko yekoro yeito imeye Ensoko Ensoko ibyengia yakire ngumanga bunalero
Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ugaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently, we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Obutindi no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore.
Asama rieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire ko Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri waona yaikireke wango guikaru aligo. Panya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari. Erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima bubi.
Asamange twakirisimia namba 0706840844. Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buriyo gukora kingatare icyobutindo. Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi. Eye Nensoko TV uboroso obutindi no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore.
Asama rieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire ko Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri waona yaikireke wango guikaru aligo. Panya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari. Erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima bubi.
Twakirisimia namba 0706380913. Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buriyo gukora kingatare icyobutindo.
Buya mono kigimana indo morgelele wa ensoko no kwigena kwana ni gogendere tabia ensoko TV borosobo muguse kratogo swa asentunda ya kabere chinga kitugo chiko mwarigania omogeni ito imeye studio eria nyare kobaga gotwerera itkuria rero ni gutugo chikurigereria obocheni bobongo amangi narororo maito konyoro munta gweta para gabutinda mayanga kwanya kororeke rugutara none para montesi betibuya kwanyora kunyagokora chisaini wataba ne balimo Onekeko gararero tuwate kebiniga iganyare kubaga gotwerera ninkieke gekogera abantu babwate chi challenges gose oborwaire bobongo ayo amona yanda mange bono ikaranso ike onye kubwate ibori irinde ene kingari bori lya oni gori gutanga na gosaga ire tunyako batokori etera gwetera ase namba itu studio eyure 0788 66 66 63 nabo igogenda ase mitandao ya kerero tubwati buna Ensoko TV nabo kunyara kobago gupost riswari rya gose comment ya ororo erindo nyako bago konyora richibu ya rioganetie ogani komanya mbiamano sana Kevin aso ikase studio yeto
mbiamona sana
asante sana nabo ko kora introduction erindo omanyo murigere bwa Ensoko na kiokoro kwa jena kwa ne Kevin abanyore Kevin ngo korwarari nikyo shughurikira gusaye bona buno mutaalamu wa manganaya sector kiyogo chiwa deal nero asante sana karibu
asante asambari tangoro ko Kevin Bosire uko lakini asa abantu abange bamanyete no munyagitari Bosire igasi eyito koranje no psychiatrist so munyagitari bwobongo toko konya abantu bari babwate shida chio obongo una bangya gutumia maru gose ibintu byo gutindi ekero banyare konyora challenges chio bongo irio bangye go cop no bogima banyare yari challenges chibarana na bagukero chia bale meira abange basinyuna kibago deal na chio abande ba deal na chiro asinjira yobu yago se positive way na bande ba deal na chia asinjirere negative na bari bande rende batware eshida ya bongo ya beire chronic bono nchero mu yagitari ngokora na inde director se Better Me Rehab yura sensemo ya Gusii na ga Nairobi bono nonde ayo mobo bokorwari ababwate shida chyo bongo necho gutumia maru na mario gotini bono
Gabusi to gwatebere nga yura director ga Better Rehab
yes
chyo bisya gusinga ichigotoka uraba manyini gusinga ichigotoka na Nairobi nga ichigotoka onyonde ubwata utagetobo konyinga yara abanyore ndi tumako genderera no murubere
okay bona ase Gusii togotoka ensemo ya Nyamataro angena ari Imperial Academy tore next to Imperial Academy naga sensemo ya Nairobi ogochenchera ya ungatarunga Xerian Road kerwa Xerian ni tore like chida kaisano koru Xerian Center bona
mbiamano ase nenchondo chibiro bigendete kominyoka Kelvin na kiora korumanye nga nimbwate michando yobongo
okay
kuna chisense nchiroro rogo se chisymptoms bono mayigo chikobese ngo watebere nchiro severe chinde chronic lakini normally ase bono bugima oboiga na kiora na kyo montara nge komanyanga eida nimbwate muchando bobongo
okay bone kumanyana no bwate muchando bobongo etokorera ase tabia yao ekere tabia yao yangeire go change to maita no muntu kwarenge compost kware ko endegasi kwange abscond ko endegasi anya no muntu kwagachire kanisa kwange agotike kanisa anya no mwanafunzi orenge university onge abscond classes anya no mwana omenyete ngano moibori onge ibintu byange agosira nyumba ibintu bunebyo nabokora etabia ngire guchinchire koruase normal to abnormal behavior bona
bone karo monda achire totebe mwa umuibori na rubwato umwana esengenche ekeke muregere taba ibori umuibori mbaroro konyora bagoteba nga umwana oyone ni gari ngumuya gocha lakini imefika time aeleweki none skuru tari konyara ko tari attend normal classes mostly konyara bari university obeiro molevi notebe buno boriro bobongo
kabisa
na kibano oretre kesi kemezao na kioko kora orore nga labda si tari chisabu chimbe gosebe peer pressure influence kesinge nchokero mwana achire gari na bara ala sikonyora abantu abalevi asasa echangie na kiora koro analyze kesi kotebe ngo muiburi bono koretero muchando bonoyo kuna ibipimo mbiroro mogo kora kwa manyogo no borero bobongo
bonongo gukora tore ibipimo mostly buna kero muiburi yako report cases bunechuna etabia yawe ya century goskwara ko ende class buna wata ire university kwangire gotiga tigenchera gese okonywa maru ngo karogo cheto kora takatwara okorre igepimo gikoro ku drug test twapime drug test kumanya gose drug nero gutumia na inde ngo tworokire kiwango ki otumie tekeraso mubere bono na komenta na yungo kora tore assessment ngoko boritora maswali twa kwa analyze sobongo bwao bono
Tateba no omuntu narorora bwato muchandura kintaramanya n'uburere bw'obonga bwate. Ngakira mu affect ya sobogima bwaye.
Abange mbari kumanyamba bwate shide yu.
Ndio nakuuliza singenjo now you don't know. Ayokaite sometimes you wouldn't know umuntu ko irane emotions cya kawaida unajua mno bwima bwako umuntu akora squeeze yako na moods. Na ikibono na ikiendelea hivyo itakuja aje kumaffect.
Bone ego affect behavior yae na bari ego affect bari around environment yae na bokonyora ringe umuntu go contribute to just society go sasa environment yare lakini bonongea tarigo kya nini ya change nini ngakekoroku motivation ya change korwase mbona agakorere bintu ngya gukora atarigo koba makini gusa atarigo jali ebintu munaga korire bona
igwekero umuntu totebo umuntu orenge umuntu bwabasani bonongere kujitenga igona babwenereta arigererigo obongo
kera ngire kujitenga eminetivu na bwate shida emotions the way he feels inside about himself yani njera iwete imeyaye teri kawaida buna ariko igu like the feelings the feeling abwate okonyorera negative feeling aigwe imeyaye taigweti buya taigweti mogoko okonyora na kitoko boreri na kiwete rero how do you feel today keroro chumundu atarigo changamka go sak ekirete eminete ya wate low mood kero mundu awate low mood igona bigo affect ngaki akorengereri na inde ego bidi kero wate negative feeling useime ya otaigwetu bia nebirengere bia okonyora torengereti buya orengereti ebirengere bire negative
alafu ribo ririnde kero nachaka ngo tebanga nabokonyora umuntu nonekero gutara para muntu akonyao agwaka chisabu kwa nyoranga kero kende cyangire pimba ko amagoro tamagoko oina kiba ekezibune kina kiora ki analyze obuno borero bobongo gose na
obuno borero bobongo konyora re disturbed in the mind obongo bwae bore abrengereti amangana amange anainde tarengereti chinchera chire positive chiyoko solve amanganayo aro chamanganayo amobugire bono kwanyora imeya taigwetibuya achandigete imeya abwate a negative feeling are disturbed imeya so that kwanyora na kibako bongo akonya gwaka chisabu bono
ekesingere na there is a certain case na kameta cross ama tukaerere makaiga erere mungwana narororo pressure ikamutira sema unaelewa chi target ichichiga I'm sorry to mention lakini sasa unajua ilianda beyond ile yenye anaweza handle that mungwano yu akanyora mental breakdown because yakuwa anajielewa kabisa sasa ikafika baka bako obere barimo ichikeze bune chigana kiora atebyo murigere because pressure nerororo yobugima totayekero wa kamera such a scenario ama umefika mwisho because target yaroma etomo komo koliga sina target wiki target kama ni sales wikiki eri umanye gwaka no se target eri no manye te graph wika asenaro kurigirwa mutenyongi wakorete nini na kibonora encourage umurigerete kurigirete bono mambe because that man aberete nyagitari for 3 good months akama kuirana into normal senses akwa anajitambua kabisa na ibata yete ni mental breakdown na kibonora abekengane mental breakdown nere borero bongo bado ama
it's part ile symptom ile symptom dalili
kwenye tara ikakoba umorero bongo
bona ine dalili yoborero bongo na inde to kumanya gose kero mundu akwa na mental breakdown to kumanyangia minute kiagera ase intugo ikatoramba tumanye na motoranyora ere different diagnosis lakini rende kerogo teane mondabe kire targets tigas nini ine nero hali yobogima na inde tote ine situation yare na inde tote wa situation situation in a situation should not control you. You should control the situation. Ono kwanyora buno in a situation ya mo control it mbaro bara babekere targets na inde bago the situation but control a situation ya targets valgerely how can they meet the targets erera kineraroche how impossible it is to meet the targets.
Asante sana. Angusa ba tonyare ko batoko ragenda ansense moya gega Nairobi kero gomanyigunga ni go bagendete kwarigania oroboti rwa uyu kabeiro mo secretary general w'ikium ikiamagia ODM Edwin Sifuna uyu guchigukwana n'abararia asege kekekekero bose bunako ngya gukwana iga gwene kitorenga nkonyorore n'araria yiga akochikonyaga gukwana aya achire ritkerimo onyorenga ekiombegia OD goseki ekiamagia ODM ritkore igoro nigo banyarete ko bakumurusia koba omorikyo monene bw'ekiombekyo asebano ritkore rero gusema mbie ritkore bono Sifuna nigo akagere kubwatoka enkwana yae kubwatekana nege koreki lakini giga se studio bado niko togendete no morobere katukunya gosema ni nabo kumanyania igoro yobo chenu bobongo karobono tukunya gukwana na araria yiga symptoms chiri omunya gitaria nyare ko bagotebanga ekero kwanyorire emechando gete enekinga gutarerore utarira ngo gose none nyagitari berese I'm feeling this and this irinde banyako uko guide bitambikero ki obwenerete ko bago kwimukia ekero twagenda gukwana ngo atebanga Safia na kibono ndakore manyenga oborwere bwana bobongo obore at Safia stage gose bwa konga kongire
ngo kwa turi screening twabori amaswali ona ki ore affected in your life in your mind and in your emotions kero twari na ki ore affected kero twakore screening yeyu symptoms echingo chirate tore twamanya from 1 to 14 or mild or from this scale to this or moderate from this scale to this or clinical from this scale to this or severe. Yes.
Ngobwana
bore kabisa.
Ekero boy stage nere buna kwangara zinga symptoms echikoroki nga yore mild middle gose ko ikagabo Safia stages. Nga yobona leta ekero yikire bono seme last stage inaponanga
inapona
ata egika kingana naki
actually to recommend early diagnosis kero monto kwangire ko igu symptoms nechi gankenke kwacha betami go sasa ege tu ogego of manini amatibabu mental health ekiagera mental health go affect your whole life kwanyara no monto symptoms chachire mild okonyora obugima bwae bwangere gusambaratika usinyirwa kana bills inga usinyirwa go meet targets una whatever igasi angire komolemea ongere konywa maru singenje stress kwarure wono obugima bwae okonyora bwangere gusarika cause ekero mental health ya etaribia usobo chenu bwobongo bwa butaribia okonyora na obugima bwa otori konyara kububanga one to go advocate umuntu cha mapema kera igwete squeeze atete rurara lioka ine feeling abwate are abwate low mood gosare depressed na inde in his mind aroche na agwe kwana self talk inner talk iri kera agwe voices chiri agwe kwana imeae okonyora njiri voices chio kumumotivate chire voices
sawa
chire negative
sawa kero wanongonya kutokunya gosema niga buku bwatekana noborere bobongo morigere bwensoko ngaitenga nokwegena kwanenga nogendete gwesemia maite gusigario konyora none kero monta bwate oborere bobongo bagocha babekoboroge beti maitinga totebe mna onye no muntu rego kore gasibuya mna bwatebire nga muntu ngere gusinyugwa kana bills icyare kunyara ko bagagwa kana osiekirwe nyomba ose okwanyora oborere bobongo kwa butiru because boste yo gochigwancha onyare ko bagokogendera tiga turaenda yamase yamugikase amagasho gaiga sensemo ya Nairobi ase Sifuna agendete kubwatoka oroboti rwae kubwatekana no gotenenigwa kwa bomorikyo monne bwikamagia ODM aburit korigoro.
Of natural justice. At no time have I been informed of any allegations against me, be they of indiscipline, insubordination, or incompetence in the execution of my duties as the Secretary General. Neither have I been invited to respond to any complaints in and out of the party on any matter that would constitute grounds for removal of a Secretary General.
Bono kigimana ndekero tokonya kurigereria ayu agendete gwa pen gusayu agendete gukorekana ase siasa ayu na ye nsemo ya ODM chinga kigendete kungusana na kigima ayamaga yomurai gwekia mekyo yo kabero murai gwekia mekyo Raila Odinga gusira na bono nigo ODM yanyare ko bagigwatika ase ukaboko ngorororo gukora eserikali na bo igonkorororo ukusifuna kora gukwamereria serikali ase bono ritkurigoro aborai gwekia mekyo gukora na Dr. Odinga oikeranite asenkwana bakaene kinga nigo baguchikomurusia Edwin Sifuna buna umurikyo monene gwekia mekyo sabana batebire nigo baguchikoimirana gose nigo baguchikoroberia ase egikaro barachiko baba kwene kinga ngochora bare umurikia omonene omuya gwekia mekiga ODM tukura senseme ya siasa nigo tukwira na wikaga ase studio yetu katogendete gusanga igoro yobocheni bobongo katogendete gusanga na Dr. Kevin Bosire oyonyare ko bagagotwerera usoro mutaalamu wa mangana yobongo onyara ko bagagotwerera ari ao ari kero kende okurigereriga kwaroranga ekenegentege ke stress ya bwate lakini korengana na Kevin nigatebire munekero kwanyorenga nigo bwato muchando yo nere buya ogende urapimwa kero kwari ngoriwe ende kwamanya gwasi umunga yaya tari borwire bobongo yaya timbiyande go stress umete sayo konyora kubwata gandaga ke mwatabe you stress ya mu affect boigo ekero twagenda umutimo kuigo sekero twende nseme ya asenseme ya Sifuna riborinde narago gotebe go senare gukuburi gabo abantu abange busi nigo bakubwatiranie oborwire oboiga gose na oborogi kero kwanyorire umwana arenge buya gose umusaye bategemeta ase family abono totebe ekerare no Nairobi gaiga anafanya kazi yake vizuri no muntu otegemeire ore gokonya no ninka lakini happen gose bono due to that gose pressure yobugima gose challenge ya wetro maite na bwate familia baada na kuna hiyo msukumo ya maisha onyorero muchando yo nakiora nkobore kiora tebe abantu bari bagoteba noborogi dazi oborogi associate nobo muchando nobo chanu bobongo
mono abantu abange African society abo bakora kerumo ndagwate muchando bobongo so abuno mwanafunzi ochire university etirebuya from primary high school agaita buya kaende university onge akotumia maru samariogo yogotindi or drop out from the university bate bane singenjarenge bright
singenjaru mungaini
orogiru but ekeroto ko rigereri to a contest yeto ko rigereri in another perspective kwanyora in other countries una Europe, America, ngonyorore abantu same karabago mwanafunzi yako ya kutumia drugs ago be the same uno yore Africa ga go drop out of school na magana binai kwanyora bono na inde abantu ase abagusi ose African society the way we view things in regards na bochenu bobongo kwanyore mbari korana no borwaire lakini ngora physical illnesses ngora bali no borwaire kero monta abwate borwaire buneskari ngora bali na no borwaire abwate lakini kera abwate borwaire bobongo mbali korana no borwaire ba associate na mangana yo borogi but in seke ne kio goteba oborwere bobongo mborororo a certain percentage ye population kuikamba tuare shida yoborwere bobongo the same way to whatever in every physical illness to teme correlate no borwere bune HIV no genda say any country ngonyorore maybe 1% of the population ne what HIV 1% of the population ne bwate borwere bwe kifafa gose epilepsy a certain percentage ngonyorore bagotumia alcohol and drugs a certain percentage ne bwate borwere buna bipolar quarry na the same way applies to our society percentage gete go kababwate bipolar there is no way oranyore a healthy society ere na tigusibono once pay ondeza yo bwate shida yo bongo but in other countries go say in other counties a certain percentage bwate borwere bobongo so goika ndobwate a certain percentage ya abanafunzi bari bakore university bachire university bago drop out as wetera samba uko tumia amaru na amariogo yogotindi a certain, not a big percentage but a certain percentage.
Abo sa amaru na amariogo yogotindi, in fact inaria ngeri bodi ya next go so wasoma bongo wane abanda bakunywa amaru na amariogo yogotindi amaru na bakongo banyoro muchando bobongo.
Kwanza kero bwate addiction. Addiction ni worwaire, it's a brain disease.
Ekero utaranyo to kunyara kubugo none kirasi.
Utaranyo to gukora no igasi, utaranyo to koiguno buya ime yao. Utaranyo to kunyara gukora gasi gose go communicate n'abantu. Gose goikonyo manye gwakira abantu kisimi. Ekero utanywe tuigwete gukwana n'abantu ine uborwire bwomo. It's a brain disease actually. Bona. Ninde bora different category. Umete ndete oboy karoko kwana oborwire bwobongo mbori bomo. We have several category.
Ninche kurangiri tukuri nyini irinde bano ganta itotora kwanira general na kike kora tukura kwanire ebiche overview because ni maite none unaona kama mswati ibwire kuna vile pia na kwanga mentally nini
depression
is part of oborwire bwobongo. Inagendo kende akonyo nyasora bagotebanga anywete nyasora gatingo ko bongo gotingo inaleta ngayo challenge.
Inaleta
is part of that mental illness.
Ngorete shide actually not only tarati ngorobongo bwao kero addicted to enyasore already kero gocha as a better amigo say any mental health facility twago pima na inde twago korera screening tonyo rengo tumiore enyasore na inde addicted already togo diagnose no borwire bwobongo bwokoroku cannabis use disorder gotumie nyasore disorder yo gotumie nyasore already no borwire bwobongo bwate tutaraendana ya gutingo irobongo bado na bono na inde na beo koretera another mental disorder buna kongea koigwa mariogi ose obwoba okwobo ebintu wa ogo suspect kero mondo morenero tori ko muamini kwarorire oso ko paranoid yangire ko another oborwire bwobongo buna na beo koretana na inde bipolar and ari okonyora bare violent ose echinsa chinde bakirete mbari go kwana na muntu are in a low mood depressive phase ingakiende kwanyora urure face yongere obere very talkative yani it affects your mood yao mostly oborere bobongo bo affect how you feel na your mind na behavior
biamono sana mbiamono no nichendo chenga rero ne class mende sengencho sikwa bintu mbirenta amanyete nimbanyete bikera kini timanyeti to that extent unogendete ko to manyigabo murige bonekra ngonya gukomanyinga rit kuri rero munyagitari Kevin Bosire kera kunya gutomanya oyore no bomanyi kubwatikana no borere bobongo kwa iguri munakubanga manganaye kero maito monto amanyete egento nigo agukubanga egento kwa igubuya Kero kwa no mutimo komo sine ni to kuirana to kogendera sense me yiri ndi to gende kumanyanga oborwire bobongo ngobwena buri bunatore sengo bwena buri aya utachiete nyagitari nokwe to chiatambe hayo muna na yanda manga sekekekekere bosyo
that this action is illegal and procedural and a blatant violation of the ODM constitution as well as the principles of natural justice. At no time have I been informed of any allegations against me, be they of indiscipline, insubordination, or incompetence in the execution of my duties as the Secretary General. Neither have I been invited to respond to any complaints in and out of the party on any matter that would constitute grounds for removal of a Secretary General. Consequently, no lawful organ of the party has invited me to any hearing. Indeed, as far as internal differences in opinion go, my only cry is that I have refused and I oppose any plans and schemes within the party to support President William Ruto's re-election, because I have held and continue to hold the firm position that this country cannot afford another 5 years of this expensive, divisive, incompetent, and disastrous Ruto misadventure. Kleptocracy is not a philosophy that an entire nation can give a second chance. This month marks the beginning of my 9th year as SG of ODM. I am the longest serving individual in that position. To serve that long at the feet of the enigmatic Raila Odinga needed one to summon all reservoirs of wisdom from all possible sources, but most importantly, to remain a true and loyal student of the great icon. Even in the current circumstances, I would never betray the ideals and principles of my late party leader. I have served this party with loyalty, diligence, and unwavering commitment because I had a leader in Raila who nurtured young people and young leaders and knew how to bring competing interests and egos into one functional movement. Together, we have defended the Constitution, strengthened internal party structures, and safeguarded the voice of millions of Kenyans who believe in social justice and accountable leadership. My record speaks for itself, and it always will. It is in public domain that my opposition to the party's dalliance with Ruto started long before the Right Honorable Raila passed on. He understood my reasons and accommodated them. It is also a known fact that regardless of what political deals Raila struck with different regimes, he would never have allowed his beloved party to be turned into a mere appendage of State House, where decisions are rubber-stamped after instructions are received from the regime. It is painful to note that sections of the party continue to desecrate the legacy and memory of Raila by turning this party into a theater of the illegal. Just last week, on 3rd February, a Gazette notice was released purporting to legitimize the recent changes in party leadership, with the rider asking for public input within 7 days, even though the stated date had lapsed by 3 weeks. Essentially, those who now purport to run the party are aware that, for instance, the new party leader was installed unprocedural and unconstitutional. These shortcuts and illegal edicts reflect the bad manners that progressive institutions and individuals pick up as soon as they get cozy with William Ruto. I leave it to the party members to judge if this really is the path that the Right Honorable Raila Odinga had set for us. Just 4 months after his death, we can all agree that Raila must be turning in his grave. In recent times, many respected personalities within the movement have reached out to me and the rest of the leadership, seeking a middle ground of unity, at least until the National Delegates Convention is called. I may not mention all of them, but the party trustees, and they know themselves, as well as Mama Ida Odinga and Her Excellency Ruth Odinga, the women representative for Kisumu, among others, have worked tirelessly to try and unite the party and renew the spirit of Raila in the party. But it seems the rest of the leadership, answering to instructions from elsewhere, has been unable to embrace dialogue. I want to assure our members across the country that this is not about positions. It is about principle. It is about protecting the integrity of our party. It is about ensuring that ODM remains a democratic institution governed by rules and not by impulses. And whatever actions I take from here, obviously, after wide consultations, I will do so with my head held high, knowing full well that I have never once let down my leader, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, or the members of this party who are its backbone. As I said in Busia, Raila did not raise cowards. He did not teach us to run away from hardship or challenges, but to confront them head-on. Our party constitution places a responsibility on us to fight for ODM, and fight we shall. Through all lawful means, we shall fight for this great institution until the very end. We will challenge every illegality in the courts of law and in the court of public opinion. Surrender is not an option for us. I urge our members to remain calm, steadfast, and committed to the ideals that brought us together. ODM is bigger than any individual, and it must remain anchored in justice, transparency, and respect for its own constitution. Even as we confront the spectacle of stagnation against progress and liberal versus conservative clashes in our politics, we shouldn't fall for the allure of easy largesse and cheap promises made to the electorate for the sole purpose of perpetuating the age-old slavery visited on citizens of this nation by a regime lacking in legitimacy. I remain a loyal member and the duly elected Secretary General of the ODM party. I remain committed to the struggle for a fair, just and democratic Kenya. As I navigate this period, I ask for your prayers and goodwill, but most importantly, for all of you to remain vigilant in guarding the freedoms that Raila Odinga taught us never to compromise over. We are the generation that will reach Canaan, as envisaged by the late Raila Amolo Odinga. Nothing will distract us from this endeavor. I am grateful to all of you for all the messages of support, and I want to assure you that we will be back to the grassroots, bigger and more energized, beginning this Sunday in Kitengela. Thank you very much, and God bless you. So we will allow the Deputy Party Leader to say a few things. The Honorable Governor James Orengo will say a few things, and the Honorable Winnie Odinga will say a few things. Then we will take questions.
Thank you. I think a few days back, I raised an alarm that ODM party is now being remote controlled from State House. And I also raised an alarm that there is an attempt to do a hostile takeover of ODM party. Now, this was not baseless. I want to inform you that last Friday, I received a call from chairperson of ODM, Madam Gladys Wanga. And Gladys Wanga gave the call to party leader, Oburu Odinga. And Honorable Oburu requested a meeting with me, which we set for Monday. And on that Monday, I requested that meeting I attend with the Secretary General, because it is important that the top leadership of the party discuss. And Honorable Buru came to that meeting with Junet Mohammed. The meeting was held at Honorable Bosire's house. And also we had our trustee, Amos Wako. And in that meeting, we raised a number of issues. One, which we agreed that the meeting of NEC that had been scheduled for Mombasa be delayed, be postponed until we get consensus in the party. We also agreed a team of trustees led by our elders, Honorable Amos Wako, Honorable Anyang', Honorable James Orengo, Honorable Bosire and others, continue with the mediation process in the party. I am surprised that Honorable Buru told us that he needed to consult further. That consultation, he did not consult it with other key stakeholders in the party, but they proceeded that night to State House to consult William Ruto. And that's why two of us did not attend the NEC meeting in Mombasa, because we were waiting for feedback from Honorable Buru as to whether the next meeting in Mombasa is happening or not. I am surprised that they went ahead and made very, very critical decision of removing Honorable Sifuna as the SG. I want to call upon the membership of this party to stand firm and resist the efforts by President William Ruto to hostilely take over this party. We will not allow him. We will not allow him to have his way. And I know that many, many other leaders are going to join this cause. So we want to ask our members, especially in our stronghold, to remain calm, that Sifuna is going nowhere. And I had said that if Sifuna goes, I will also go. I want to say that these members have agreed that we will fight the war, and we still recognize Sifuna as our legitimate Secretary General, as you will discover shortly. We want to say that there is a pair in this party which is an axis of evil. They know themselves, I'm not going to mention their name, who are working day and night to assist William Ruto to wreck this party. We will not allow you. And that's why we are saying, from this weekend, we are going to the people. We are going to our supporters, starting with Kitengela on Sunday, and on 21st, we are going to Vihiga, Kakamega, and Bungoma. So our people stay firm. We are not about to give up. We will.
Ayo ni gogende tukanyora eyemo kurwa ase county ya Nairobi ase abarayibari bako Sifuna Okoboko ndocho yu Godfrey Osozi na boigo James Orengo abo bari gatia barai bari baikirana asomo baganyo yomo ime mocho Nairobi abo se bagendete kurwa enkwana yabo kubwatekana nari agendete kwene kiwase kiama gya ODM erineri tukeri morioka maega ya sifuna kurusigwa ekerogo buna omoriki omonene bwikiame kiugya ODM ayo mona yanda mange buna botambe ni bochiko yanyora samangana ito amagia arebosio asebano nigo toko genderera kukwana gusigusanga igoro yobo chenu bobongo kero munya gitario ito oyu bwate obumanyi bwisaine agenderete gotosemia na boigo gotumanyia ari tutamanyete kubwatekana nobo chenu bobongo. Kevin, asante sana nande karibu.
Asante.
Kero ngokuboriga na tugwetera so gwange senginjo ni maite ni chita ipunche chinyinge chuborwere bobongo lakini bonega ngosaba otebyo murigeri bwensako common health usema amarwere ari ari common ya so bongo na ari yaiga uranya mention tu toma gocha kunyarigereri baadaye
amar ali ari common
ka komanya iganye kumanyanga bado nabo ate shida yo bonganye ko
amari ari technical terms kiagera banta bange bagwa kerbaro chore disturb na ribagwa simu gwate oburwere bwobongo lakini ngo twaratura marwere yobongo ari complex ngo twaratura yari ngo twaratura mood disorders ayo ara mange ngo twaratura substance use disorders aina marwere yobongo buna nagotebi
stress bado no burwere bobongo
stress is a general term
akarubate
trauma and anxiety disorders yunda narigo list next na indento bwate neuropsychological disorders una Alzheimer dementia indento bwata yanda kuruku psychotic disorders una schizophrenia and others bona are categorized yeah
kirando chomo swati nariga igwa message ya kuruku rispa akuruchensa mocha Kajiado akumbori lineti mboreri umunyagitari umuntu ngo iburu ari no borera bobongo nanyoro mwana bwatu muchando bobongo
ne naboko nyora
ubuna kitoko boruka bona tutebe ko iboiro mwana aya nakiora tebo muchando bori ko ibona bongo bweno
bore hereditary na bwako inherit koruase omoi abaibori bae genes yabo iboro abwato borere bwobongo na inde nabo akonyara ko managed komba managed
lakini bori ko bwena
iko bwati mborobi ko bwati
ni ko bwati type ki borere bwobongo bwati borere bwobongo ngo itabore mtu anaweza kufa kutokana na mental health usao borere bwobongo
ngom boko result to decisions tiragere
buri goita barabuna boko bana barabu
buri goita lakini bono konyora actions umuntu akoirekera bwate the decisions akomeka kera bwate burere bwobongo nabo kogera umuntu akobuna kero montare abwate major depression nabo akonyara kobago twara suicidal thoughts na inda attempt suicide na inda succeed wono konyora o twari o cause death go say atumie machine atari stable abwate urere bwobonga operating machine nabo akonyara kobago sira ago operating machine kusabande batari ko ba manage tuteba abwate bipolar disorders urere bori montare very aggressive kwarore nabako ba aggressive aitu mob emoite mob justice mba understanding na noborere bwobonga bwate nabako enda sechiro angego pike bintu byabantu arete vurugu aitu bona
iri borinde atatebe kibari mechi tokorora gose bari mu noborere bwobongo
bona kerote omuntari baribo ine general term yo komine abwata mental illness lakini bona ntora specify nereli abwate
igo tutebe kibari mechi tokorora chise konyora obokonyi bairunya gitari barengwe mororo buroiro boigo bore stage nabo bakubwana gose nabo bako
bakaye abanke that's why konyora buna vitamin ret bare abange actually society ya abagusi kwanza batarare to umuntu koromo nyagitari bwobongo ebagwetera steps different kwanza ikiagera conception misconception ere buna require tebana abantu abange bakorana noborogi so ngora itera bare some other avenues ngoenda bara masabo abange ngotema bara masabo abange batema uboragori before baite kornyora kero baende kora ibinte inario konyora banyorra umuntu ora advice baende baro munyaktari bwobongo ngotema bare baende gusabirwa bandi na Ezekiel pastors nini bari ba miracles bari bagotena bakorwa ari uborere bwobongo kero yasinyire bono nario konyora bakoretu madhare abandi kose baigu bono buna ntunto begetawe yani sase abagusi buna ka Ensoko TV ngo basemitore ande ntobegeta matangazo igore ya amarwire y'obongo bono bari bakorra nabo konyora nabo bago pick batebye umuntu asinaro naro Ensoko akoro kubetami nabo umuntu yarakonyeke nabo konyora bandi banyarire ko babago konyeka that way bata twabapima twa diagnose burwaire kibabwate na inde twa plan treatment na barabu abanyara ko babuya bairanega si abandi onye ne obongo bwabeire disturbed gusabwate eshida y'obongo ere chronic bairana stable nabo bako abande for under medication abare bago function as a society.
Mbiyamano ngori borende how to support a good mental health mbono kwa na support kiura nyare ko bawo tote no nyene kerombo ato moroiro yu what kind of support ndamwe osere bwe kana kiara support on that situation.
You see keromonda bwate boroire bwa obongo mostly na boto go advise health ways oranyare ko chirago konye o survive lakini eto go advocate oborwere bwobongo muborore buna oborwere physical disease muborore buna physical disease buno korora oborwere buna pressure buno korora skari na inde buno korora amarwira yande physical illness kero monda bwato oborwere bwa pressure o komo advice kwanza ache arore umunyagitari irianya ariko bago konyeka kwanza turamanya shida kiobwate na inde kewango ki bona
mbiyamana kero kunyago twerera gabo kunyago totebi gabo buya kerondo chopo semi obuni go buganetie amangana amange kigima nigo buganetie abantu banyare ko babako bamaizo ayibono buno munyagitari kero kwanyorere chikesi bunecho na kyogo chihando totebe kwarete none bari mesenga chuma ite tembera chabe chire igoro na kyogo deal na bara
mostly actually okonyora into kwanza to kwenda to aboy kori chinso bokonyora bare basibiru chingori ose basieke room ime so twa ekero to kwenda kobo ikoru chinso bo gocha kubarwari etogo tomago ikatotomo munyagitari ababo abe counselor bororo security guard ne driver kero baikroro bamanya hali aina kiro onye montare very aggressive okonyora ntubwate amari sedatives gose amari ogotoko babeta baba calm urara for example urara utulia kera akoboka rende onyora nyagitari yare alafu bono kero twarorie twamanya abwata psychotic episode gose episode ya okoruka obongo buna bagukwana sa abagusi ngomo beta tore amalio gari ale short acting and psychotics a reverse effect you by the time akoboko konyora tore nyagitari na ari calm ake muranya ari koba uko moboli amaswari iraniri bona
Asenge chokwa kwanega bongana bokonyora asibire chingori chikese chingora chorande gusi abantu maroro konyora ngoine bari muchikumo bwato kata kuirana bano konyora mostly wanamfunga guse bako musiekerera nyumba naki mbose mikyo bwata sabantu rebo bwata abantu nabo totebekero kenda babwete nga cost yokurwari oborwairo bwere costly naki ora batebi bonne mambia bonne kero bakurigirire tekero muntu bwacho obwato mochando bunoyu naki aranya rako gagokora bokonyi gose inu na ekwerende rishirikerire ino mnasaidia aje erinde mwana kinga nkonyora robokonyi none besegeta keira
na kitoteba na benga oborwere bwobonge ntete toborengani na physical diseases actually were under the same ICD were classified as a part of the amarwaire wono oborwere bwobongo etokoborigereri buna physical disease so kero monda abwate shida bune iwateba ba consider mbabwati besa kero tokorigereri monda abwata physical disease for example ato pressure ya shutiri ya chire igoro to no tebe na tibono tabwati besa tigatura mubeka nyumba tumutige mpaka turebanga ya monda agoteba usomuntu atware a stroke for example nga kia okoro usako akoba rushed nyagitari chibesa chibo njibo monda atware accident accident kero kwanza kero konyore accident aibweko mwenyene toriko ba conscious ambulance egocha yakuoi yakoire nyagitari kwarore mbari gotana it can be costly or something so no eno borero bwobongo kero monta abwate tutegetoretu the same way ke bago how treat kero monta abwate a physical disease samaroira yande so that kero monta irenda abwate accident or pimiru or walirigu or recovery na liwakongya gukwana igoro na kimonta abwakana koseki so the same way into na basutagete abantu barore oborero bwobongo actually na inde tokore bole kero bwato borero bwobongo ebogo affect kerege ndaso bugima bwao kubwa kero bwato borero bore physical nabo monta gutware sukari lakini ale gasi ale buya kwarode akoye manager ale gasi lakini kero monta bwato borero bwobongo abo neglect na ne gas ta go show up nyumba tariko ba responsible onge akonywa maru bariko iwana n'abantu barenere enyumo yasarika like ego serio bugima bwao all aspects of your life bwana mbiyamana karonyi wetenga aina mangana ma yakigima ko igoro morigire bensoko nga munyagitari atumanyire nga kero bwato borwire bobongo gose kero bwato morwaire obwate oborwire bwobongo ene kinga emergency gose kero okobo treat buno bobonde buna bori bwesukari buna bori buno kwanyora accident kwa mnyoke unyagitari tiagoteba ngati tobwati bese kara ene kiora nyororo bokonyi buno unyagitari atebire ene kinga ngora atari rore noni gituke nyagitari umurwire renda anyego udumiwe kara kunyago udumiwe monye koligia ebese na kimuguchi kumurusime bora treat buno borwire bobonde bwensi bori okonyora nga kara bwachira so mubere nigo ogwechanda kigima tobase kuombi by the bande kara barwe tukore bongo nabakonya abatigirego ikine una gusiro konyora umuntu aje yenda hospital na boko muri muchando ndio chageta kwaereso gocha onyokoronde nga yaya bone karonde no kwigena nga kwanyere ko konyora gosemia kubwatikana no borwiro ngana yayo mwere karondo chikidaika cyabo tukirenereriye go cyasomo gusyo kurigere kubwatikana no borwiro bobongo gosemi kwabo nzenda abatebi abagusiba minto uburwere bwobongo no burwere bunamarwira yandi are physical na inde togwerete ko accept kero munda watu burwere bwobongo tarina arogire kiagera barwere yobongo nari all over the world kere continent ne bwate umuntu bwate ngo ukonywenya soro addicted ukonywa maru ubwate addiction ya maru ole violent o gweterase unyure nyasore ya musariri kwanyora abandi mbabwate kifafa epilepsy kerase abantu bunabumbarororo ono ndate ibi abantu abagusi ba accept uburwere bwobongo babore buno burwere bobonde bwens na kero monto banyorra bwate shideyu ba prioritize kwanza kumwira nyagitari unabago prioritize koiro monto bwate physical illness batige means chinde bakora etera chire very costly actually baitase abaragoli baitase abasabi before bachase abanyagitari ndio togocha tu aba the last resort lakini tutete tobe first resort bono bamaye kuburukana n'amasabo namangana yiwanderende mbiyamona kero kende naro kare goto join bono ega nabo kwirura cyo bischino aschigo toke irindo nyababwata boko baragani obokonyi bamenyinga
ngaiba kubanyora
Samarieta orio go join saizi ngoro ko munyagitari bosire njeno munyagitari bobongo etobwate bituo byeito asense moya gusi ari Nyamataro ange na Imperial Primary ana ga Nairobi ogocha sense moya Ongataronga Xavier Road Kiserian Kerwa Ikirororo 5 minutes from the center na bokunyora ko bagotonyora bono
mbia mano moya ngomo kwa kimore 24/7 ngose
za toko work ndone it's a specialty facility na bengenya gitari ya special treatment
mbia mano
bono
mbia mano kigima karondo cheche ategetse daika isano chichikoraga chinsa isano na mocha bono mugaso karonde no kwegena ngagwe semiri nabo igo kwanyara kobo konyoro bosemi ene kinge kro kwanyoriro bosemi nguchore go semi oyomino erinde anyare kobaga gukonyeka nyakubwata umuchandonga buno uyu kwanyoreka nabo komutenga yaya nyagitari nana igwete orenge nsoko TV ni gato tebetiga naiga tumuire nyagitari aranyoro bobweni alafu renda ayonde tumaye gushugukira onye mokunyara gwikasi chobisi cyabo gose ase chinyagitari cyabo nabo mukora cheke obosemi chinyagitari by the no general ngurwari bare abarwire bobongo kero kwara moikiri ororo onye kurigeri faro yukunyago onye kokonyore kesi kikiabere savia yetagete naki mukuruka admission na rehab bona abuma konya korigia bosemi buno burende ngana kimoko mukonya motigo monta asirebosa kugwatikana negendo gokonyeka gugwa kirambo ya mono kiandage kumya sogo chora ko somoroberi gwetorobeni kwa bere na nje kurucherenge chinsenye gwikabono iga stigate chidaika inye chichikoraga isano ne mocha bono mubaso na gwikaraga buno to gukorera omweri bo moroberi tumirane na ndebiro binde kranya sara twanjire twara omubaso omoya
obutindi n'obusumbasi amate ninki kere tokore
Asamarieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire ko Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ongataronga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wona yaikireke wango gwikaru ali kwanya oroyonde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima bwe
twakirishimishe namba 0706380913 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buri gukora kingatare icyo butindo Eye Nancy